Who's ready to join me at Jubilee Lake View? Hey guys, it's Kayla from Scola. We're here at Jubilee Lake View in San Antonio, Texas. Let's go check it out. So today we're here at Jubilee Lake View University Prep in San Antonio, Texas. I'm here with Miss Raina. She's the principal here. Thank you so much for having us at your beautiful school.
Thank you for coming today.
Of course, and we've just been touring today and it's so clear that your students just love it here. So can you tell us a little bit more about your school and specifically your mission here?
So our mission is we are a premier choice school and we focus on the whole child. As you may or may not know, we talk about our core values, which follow the acronym of Jubilee.
Okay.
So we want to bring joy, understanding, balance, integrity, leadership, empowerment, and excellence within the whole child. So our hope and our dream and our mission here is to ensure that by the time a child completes Jubilee Lakeview University Prep and crosses stage, that they truly are a whole child and bring those same core values to college and into their real life.
Yeah, that's amazing. And even just meeting some of the kids, it's clear that those values really do exude in their daily life here.
They really do. The teachers do an amazing job here of really ensuring that the students understand what that means each and every day.
That's awesome. And can you tell us 3 things that really stand out to you about your school and really make Jubilee unique?
So I think one thing that we have here is Gear Up, which is gaining early awareness and readiness for undergraduate programs. We start as low as kindergarten. This year we're with our first graders and we're going to follow them all the way up 1 year out of college.
Oh, wow.
So we're very, very excited with this program. It brings a lot of academic enrichment as well as a lot of college opportunities that our students perhaps wouldn't be able to have. Gear Up also has brought in a huge mentoring program that is really helping our students. We follow still the DDVs, our Determined Destiny Values with Jubilee. Second thing that we would have here, and it falls under Gear Up, is our Culinary program.
Oh my gosh, I've not heard of a school having that. That's awesome.
So very, very exciting over here because we have the state-of-the-art kitchen here at Jubilee Lake View. So we're very excited about our kitchen. We have an amazing professor. She does just an amazing job with the kids and we get to try all their foods and our school gets to really enjoy those times. So a lot of hands-on activities here at Jubilee Lake View. And one more thing that we have that I believe is probably one of the most interesting is our Access program. So it's an after-school enrichment program for our students. But not only does it work with or help our students academically and really enforce those TEKs that our students need here, but also gives them the opportunities within art, music, field trips, museums. So they really get to learn a lot of things that perhaps our students wouldn't have the opportunities elsewhere.
That's awesome. Those are super unique to your school. I love that you mentioned the Gear Up. I know earlier we saw a really cool assembly going on, and I believe that was for Gear Up. And it was just so exciting to see how excited the kids were getting.
Yep.
And not even maybe not at the age putting together that's for college and getting them excited about education. And I just love the way that you guys have carried that out.
And I think we do a great job of ensuring that Gear Up not only is giving them that college opportunity, but building again the child as a whole.
Exactly.
Those are the pieces that are important to us.
So Ms. Raina, can you tell us a little bit about the teaching and the learning style that you use here?
So we have a very rigorous curriculum here at Jubilee Lakeview University Prep. I think what's important to note is that we're able to build the child's education from pre-K all the way to 12. Once our children start middle school, we start to have honor courses within the core curriculum, and then our electives. Our electives are so important here. We ensure that every child in elementary does art every day and technology. So we really want to build the skills of the child up. And by the time they get to middle school, they're able to have the training within animation, graphic design. If they choose to begin culinary, they also can do that, and even law enforcement. And it's important to note that our high school does have the dual credit courses. We have students that come here half a day and go to colleges half a day.
Wow.
So we have great partnerships with our colleges just right here in the city. So it's very exciting.
Yeah, that's awesome. And university prep is right there in the name, and it sounds like even from kindergarten, you guys are really doing everything you can to make sure that they're ready for those next steps. So that's super awesome.
Absolutely.
So today I'm here with my brand new friend Josiah. He's a third grader here at Jubilee. Josiah, what is your favorite class here?
Miss Larry,
Yeah, and what does she teach?
she teaches science and social studies.
Science and social studies. So do you really like science and doing fun experiments?
Yeah.
I bet you'd be a pretty good scientist. We've just loved touring your campus. It's so beautiful. You know, you have your elementary and then your middle and high school campuses. So can you tell us a little bit more about your campus and the community that you have here at your school?
So we're the pride of the West Side, and that's what we're so excited about. This community is just full of families that truly care about their children, and they care about our teachers here. We have monthly parent-family nights, and not only do we invite our children here and the parents, but we also want our community members to come out. And we want to ensure that the community understands that Jubilee is not just here for our kids, but also for any child that's out there. Another great thing here is we bring in our fall festival. So here at Jubilee Lake View University Prep, we have our fall festival yearly. Unfortunately with COVID, it kind of slowed it down, but we're bringing it back at full force. So again, that is intended not just for our Jubilee families, but for our West Side families here.
Awesome. Can I come?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. I'll be back. So now for all of our families that I'm sure are just so excited about Jubilee and would love to learn more, where can they learn more about your school and how to get involved?
So you can reach us on the website at jubileeacademies.org. And not only will you find information on Lakeview University Prep, but all our other 8 schools here in the San Antonio region.
Awesome.
Yes.
And then you can also learn more about Jubilee Lakeview at scola.com on their Scola profile. Thank you again so much for having us today.
Thank you so much.
And that's a wrap at Jubilee Lakeview University Prep. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys at the next school.